Today I will discuss regarding various mantra sadhana of Patuk Bhairav. As earlier I explained regarding the Patuk Utpatti or what is the meaning of Patuk Bhairav. So I need not go further to explain the Patuk Bhairav God meanings. Bhairav, Patuk Bhairav in our body is Sthan is the this Agya Chakra. So any one devotees can find whenever he is going to search his guru, how his guru or a person having exorbitant or vibrant आज्ञा चक्र. भैरव का स्थान ये आज्ञा चक्र होता है और ये आज्ञा चक्र जो जितना बड़ा भैरव का साधक उपासक तंत्र साधना वाला होगा उसका आज्ञा चक्र उतना ही जागृत होगा. एक लाइटनिंग दैदीप्य प्रकाश में उसके ऊपर से यहाँ से बिल्कुल ऑलवेज ग्लो करेगा. इट इज जनरल जस्ट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग इन आवर बॉडी वेयर इज द भैरव स्थान. भैरव स्थान इज द आज्ञा चक्र and as long as you do the Bhairav sadhana, Agya Chakra will go more and more Jagriti and you will get achieve the what your higher liberation spiritual potency. Now Bhairav Puja, I am not in a mood to explain all these things through video because now from past 2-3 years I am watching it several Google, social media, several astrologer or Tantra Sadhak or maybe you can say influencer or podcaster, they are misleading the devotees. I am not saying that I am the expert or I am the more knowledgeable than them. No, I am a very simple ordinary man. I am a simple सेवक पुजारी बाबा अर्चक और बाबा का साधक हूँ. एक सिंपल डिवोटीज हूँ. बट दिस टेम्पल इज ओल्ड 300 to 400 years old. And whatever my forefathers grandfathers did in this temple puja and whatever they were doing and I learned, they taught me. It is my prime duty, earnest duty to deliver, to pass it to all the devotees or Bhairav sadhak or sadhana. This book is, now you can see Patuk Bhairav sadhana. It will display, I will show you also. This book is first published by my father, late Mahanta Bhagwan Puri in the 1975. More than 2 lakhs copy of this book has been published till date in 12 editions. Almost 20,000, 10,000, earlier 5,000 per edition it used to be published. And during 1975-76, not so many books for the Bhairav sadhana or Bhairav Pasak or Tantra sadhana, Bhairav Paddhati was available in the market. Only in the Kalika Puran, Durvaskanda Puran, this Shakti Puranas and these 2-3 Puran, it used to be explained how to do the Bhairav sadhana. I was 12 years old and Batuknath Shastri, very famous this sadhak Jnani of this Patuk Bhairav and Nilkant Shastri, my father asked me to go and meet them to edit or to put more clarity in this book. So a lot of hard work has been done from 1975 before first edition publishing to further devotees. So this is the first book where compiled, concise, all the information regarding Patuk sadhana has been placed at one place. I put before the devotees. Now, so many mantras, so many this influencer they are explaining that Bij mantra, Mool mantra, Aksha mantra, and Kavacham, Stotram. So many things are here, and you can go through it book and you will come to know. Now, first of all, 3 dhyans Patuk sadhana. You can do the Patuk puja by Sattvic. Those who are teetotaler, no like the non-veg, they can do Sattvic puja, Balak, Patuk Bhairav, and Rajas, you know, meaning like Rajasi, that all this means that Rajas form of the Lord Patuk, and Tantra sadhana, Tantric puja, or all 3 also, Triguratmak puja, whatever you like, whenever the way you want to do the puja, you can do the puja of Lord Batuk Bhairav. Now, normally, Mool Mantra and Bij Mantra. Mool Mantra should not be chant. I am not saying you listen, you believe 100% my word, but in general, what I have seen, Mool Mantra should not be chanted by any devotees without the Guru Mantra. You know very well what I mean to say. Now there is 4 mantra. One simply Om Bhairavaya Namah. These for any Bhairav, Kal Bhairav, Batuk Bhairav, Ashta Bhairav. There is a 52 Bhairavs or 64 Bhairavs, somewhere it is written. How many the Shakti Peeths all over the country when Lord Shiva, that Sati roaming and Lord Vishnu cuts her pieces every place, the 52 Shakti Peeth. So 52 Bhairavs are there to protect that premised area. So 52 Bhairavs are here. Some book it is referred as a 64 Bhairav also. So 54 Bhairavs, for any Bhairavs you can simply chant Om Bhairavaya Namah, Om Bhairavaya Namah. Now then further you can chant for Batuk Bhairav, Om Batuk Bhairavaya Namah, Om Batuk Bhairavaya Namah, Om Batuk Bhairavaya Namah. Now Bij Mantra Batuk Bhairavaya Namah, Om Bam Batuk Bhairavaya Namah. This becomes the Bij Mantra. Now Mool Mantra, Om Ring Batuk Bhairav Apaddu Dharana Kurukuru Batukai Ring Om. Om Ring Batukai Apaddu Dharana Kurukuru Batukai Ring Om. There is a 1 or 2 words is hidden in this Mool Mantra. I cannot reveal or I cannot tell over this podcast or over this video, because that is the Guru Mantra. When devotees feel that he should go to the Guru for the Guru Mantra, then Guru will tell this is the Guru Mantra. In that he will add words. And more than this, I cannot tell to the audience or to the devotees what is the Mool Mantra of Bhairav Upasana. Now you may see so many people say you 10 mala, 20 mala of this mantra, this job, 100 mala, sawa lakh job. I am not denying you can do, but this will not fulfill your materialistic life. If you are doing for any manoti, any manokamna, मेरा जॉब ये हो जाए, मेरा जॉब वो हो जाए, ऐसा हो जाए, ऐसा हो जाए, believe me, don't do only for these things the Bhairav sadhana. Of course, it will be done, but it will not be done. It may be done, may not be done. If any devotee is doing puja only for this purpose, he may get benefit, he may not get benefit. Why I am telling you this? Because I have seen so many devotees after doing 2-3 years of this mantra, Om Bhairavaya Namah, they are coming and they are asking me, Guruji, ye nahi hua, wo nahi hua. I am not able to explain him. Because I am telling you one things, why I am telling you these things. Because if you are having stomach problems or if you have body any problem, for a stomach problem, how many medicine? Maybe 10, 20, hundreds. But doctor will know, doctor will tell you only this medicine will affect you depending upon your diagnosis, depending upon the clinical symptom, then only. Same thing applicable for any sadhana, including Batuk Bhairav sadhana. How it is applicable? Every individual will be having different Kul Devta, different Pradhan Devta, different Asthan Devta, and different his horoscope और his all पूर्व जन्म संस्कार पाप पुण्य जो कैरी करके इस साल इस बर्थ में पैदा हुआ है. He got birth in this earth. So some devotees may get his all the wishes within 1 month, within 43 days, within 1 year. Some devotees may not get any wishes throughout his life, in spite of doing daily 1 hour, 1 day, 4 hours puja in this temple. I have seen. I am telling you, I have seen. One of the devotees, he is, I will not tell his name, now he expired. He used to come, he has come this temple every day, almost the same time, morning between 8:30 to 9, and did puja part Baba very regularly, sincerely, diligently, consistently, constantly, continuously, without any break for more than 60 years. But he did not achieve his wishes. He did not achieve his for what he has come to this temple. 60 years. And whatever the mantra chanting I am telling you, he was doing everything. Okay. So, this thing. Now, बटुक भैरव स्तोत्रम पूरा इसमें देर इज अ कवच, देर इज अ मुख्य स्तोत्रम, देर इज ए सात्विक ध्यानम, राजस ध्यानम, तांत्रिक ध्यानम, मुख्य ध्यानम. I will tell one by one. If you want to be very casual or you don't want to spend more time for the puja part, simply you chant mukhya dhanam. ओम कर कलित कपाल कुंडली दंडपाणि अरुण तिमिर नील व्याल यज्ञोपवीति क्रतु समय सपर्यात विघ्न विच्छेतु जयति पटुकनाथ सितत साधिकानाम अनिल कुंतल मलत सुचार वर्णम मौनिकृत मनोग मुखारविंदम कल्याण कीर्ति कमनी कपाल पाणी वंदे महापटुकनाथम विष्ट सिद्धये. दिस इज द मुख्य ध्यान. आफ्टर दैट, if you want to do sattvic puja, sattvic morning, you consider you are going to toddler or you are very very sattvic mall in your house, sattvic puja, that month is different. वंदे बालम अस्फुटिशतजम कुंडलोदवासीतांगम दिव्याकल्पनमणि किंकड़म नूप्राढ्यम दीप्ताकारम सुदरम सुप्रसन्नम त्रिनेत्रम हस्ताग्रापम पटुशतम शूलदंडोपधानम. दिस इज द बिकम सात्विक ध्यानम. नौ राजस ध्यानम. उदत भास्करम सन्निभम त्रिनयनम रक्तांगराजसम स्मेरास्यम वरदम कपालम भयम शूलम ददानम करे नीलग्रीमुदार भूषणितम श्वेतां स्कंदोज्ज्वलम बंधु कारुणवासम भयहरम देवम सदा भावे. दिस इज द राजस ध्यानम. नाउ ध्याये नीलांदिकांतम शशिक्लधर मुंडमालम महेशम दिग्वस्त्रम पिंगकेशम डमुरुथम श्री खटवांग पाशावयानी नागम घंटा कपालम हर सर श्री हैवीतम भीम दृष्टम दिव्या कपालम त्रिनेत्रम मणिमय विलसंकड़ी नूपुराढ्यम. ये तांत्रिक ध्यान हो गया. नाउ इट कम्स टू द स्तोत्रम. इफ यू आर जस्ट सिंपली गोइंग मोर स्टेप टू द भैरव साधना, बटुक भैरव साधना 1 to 14, this book is available and I will download to PDF also for very soon, so that you can chant for the main Baba Stuti. If you chant it, it will not take 3 to 4 minutes every day. That starts from ओम ह्रीं भैरो भूतनाथस्य भूतात्मा भूतभावन क्षेत्रपालस्य क्षेतति क्षत्रियो विराट शमशानवासी मांसाशी खरपराशी स्मरांधिरत्पानप सिद्ध सिद्ध सेवित कंकाल काल शमन कला काष्ठा तनुकवि त्रिनेत्रो बहुनेत्र शतता पिंगलोचन शूलपाणि खड्गपाणि कंकाली ध्रुमलोचन अभीर भैरवी नाथो भूतपो योगनिपति धनदो धनहारी च धनवान प्रीत भावत नागहारो नागपाशो व्योमिकेश कपालवृत काल कपाल माली च कमनीय कलानिधि त्रिलोच जलनेत्र स्त्रीशिक्षित लोक त्रिने तनयोडिंब शांत शांत जनप्रिय बटुको बहुवेश्य खडवांग वर्धारक भूता दक्ष पशुपति भिक्षुक परचारक धूर्तो दिगंबर शूर रण पांडलोचन प्रशांतित शांतित सिद्ध शंकर प्रीवांधव अष्टमूर्तिशो ज्ञानजस्तपोमय अष्टाधार खड़ाधार सर्पयुक्त शिकीशक भूद्रो भूदरादीशु भूपति भूदरात्मज कंकालधारी मुंडी च नाग्योपवित्वान् चिम्र मौनस्तंभी मारण छोपड़ता शुद्ध नीलाम जन प्रख्यो दैत्या मुंडभूषित बल्यभुंग नाथो बालो बाल पराक्रम सर्वापत्तारणो दुर्गो दुष्टबुद्धि सेवित कामी कदानिधि कांत कामने वशित वै सर्वसिद्धि प्रदो वैद्य प्रभु विष्णुति वै अष्टोत्तम नामना भैरवस्य महात्मनः. These from 1 to 14 is the stotra. Now the question comes, how you start and what I am telling all these things, what forefather has explained to me and what I am doing from the past 50 years. All this chanting mantra, my father forced me, asked me to learn when I was at the age of 10 years. I was in class 5th. So this is nothing new or nothing, just that I am just starting revealing in front of you. Now the Batuk Bhairav Kavacham. So in this book it is written, mentioned, the Kavacham is from, start the Batuk Bhairav Kavacham 1 to 32. Batuk Namaskaram, Batuk Bhaira Stotram Kavacham. This you start from 1 to 32. That will make you from Atasri Batuk Bhaira Brahma Kavacham 1 to 32. Then after that, what you can do, Dignyas Karanyas, after that you start this Kavacham in front of your home, that where your Batuk Bhaira statue is there. Puja, do home on this agarbatti, dhoop, deepak, kumkum. After that you can start this Kavacham. Then Dhyanam, what I already explained you, Karkalit or anyone Satvik, Tamas, Rajas or Mukhyadan Karkalit Kapala. After that from home ring Bhairav to 14 Ashtotastam Namnam Bhairavasya Mahatmana. After that what you can do, this Bhairavasya Mahatmana, that is you have to chant for 10 times. And 11 times what you do, that home ring Bhairav Bhutanathasya from 14, that you have to go up to the 39, that iti Sri Rudrayamale Apadu Dwarak Batuk Bhaira Stotram Rupanam. Now first Kavacham, then Mukhya Dhanam, any chant, then 1 to 14 10 times Stotram Bhairavasya Mahatmana, then 1 to 39, that is 11 times. After that you have to do 108, 108 bar, 108 times, one mala from Rudraksha Mala, the mantra whatever you like. Om Bhairavaya Namah, Om Batuk Bhairavaya Namah, Om Mam Batuk Bhairavaya Namah, Om Ring Apadu Dharana Batuk Bhairavaya, Om Ring Apadu Dharana Kurukuru Batkaya Ringam. One word, secret word, I can't reveal over this. But of course, those who have taken Guru Mantra, that they should chant only Mool Mantra. So, what I have told you, this one Mala and Kavach and 1 to 10, 10 times, 1 to 11, one time. These become one part. Please try to understand what I mean to say. I am 100% sure no one till date anyone has revealed this is called one part. Accordingly, this you have to do Anushthan for 43 days or 41 days. Normally, Batuk Anushthan, Batuk Puja should be for 43 days. If you do 43 days, this Anushthan, this part, 43 part हो गया. एक दिन आपने एक part किया. One part hardly, if you starting, it will take 50 minutes or 45 minutes. But once you chant, you will guess it will take not more than 25 to 30 minutes to complete all these things very diligently and very this devotion with full reverence and devotion. So this and Kavacham, why we do the Kavacham? As you know, we get the vaccination. We get the vaccine, vaccine, DPT, TT, polio, all this vaccine for what? To get the immunity of our body, not to get infected by any that particular virus or bacteria. Same way, purpose of reading Kavacham for any god, whether Narasimha god or this Durga Kavach or Bhairav Kavach, that you will be free or you will not be affected by any evil और दैविक भौतिक फोर्सेस जो भूत प्रेत पिशाच जो सब घूमते रहते हैं वातावरण में, जो योनि में हैं, वो आपको अफेक्ट नहीं करेगा. यू नो, बटुक भैरव इज द लॉर्ड ऑफ ऑल योनीज. इनको ऑल योनीज का लॉर्ड कहा जाता है. ही इज द डेथ डिस्ट्रॉयर. वो डेथ अगर हो भी चुका है तो डिस्ट्रॉयर ऑफ डेथ. इज द 36 तत्व के बने हैं बटुक जी, और 118 वर्ड से 36 तो आया है. एंड लॉर्ड बटुक इज द क्रिएशन एंड प्रिजर्वेशन एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द होल वर्ल्ड यूनिवर्स. लॉर्ड बटुक इज साक्षात ओंकार. सो जस्ट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द महिमा एंड importance of Batuk Bhairav sadhana, Batuk Bhairav mantra. These things you may see several. They will say you do 43 mala, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, and you will get. No. What will happen? Your willpower, your physical strength, your self confidence, and your spiritual potency. I am using the word potency. Those who are this background of science field, they know what is the meaning of potency, power. So by doing all these things, puja, your spiritual potency, your self confidence, your willpower will be strengthened and increased many folds. It will be unbelievable. That because of all these things, you will able to face any obstacles in your life very smoothly, very easily. Anything happen to you will simply laugh. You will happy inside because dukh sukh, it is a part of life. Good and bad, nothing that everybody will be always having good time in his life, or not everyone is having a bad time in life. And every one individual horoscope is different for other individuals. Normally, in your horoscope, Shani, Rahu, Ketwa, and Mangal. These four Papa Graha dosh, out that Shani and Rahu Ketwa dosh, is the in Kali Yuga only Batuk Bhairo Devta who can kill the malefic effect, who can diminish, who can reduce the malefic effect of all these graha. And now question comes that which is the best day to start the Lord Batu Bhairav Puja. So normally, every month to Krishna Pacha, Shukla Pacha, Krishna Pachastami and Shukla Pachastami. Krishna Pachastami is more famous for Bhairav Sadhana, Batu Bhairav Sadhana, and Shukla Pachastami is more famous for the Durga Sadhana, Durga Ashtami. Or Krishna Pachastami we call as the Kalashtami also, because Amavasya, that Krishna Pacha dark phase, so Kalashtami we call. So you can start this Bhairav Puja, any Bhairav Sadhana, any mantra from the Ashtami or Sunday, or normally those 2 days are most preferable, or any specific day which is famous. You can see the this Pukha Nakshatra में अगर गुरु है तो उसको बड़ा शुभ माना जाता है ये सब चीज़ों के लिए. One very most important thing, if any sadhak, any devotees want to reach higher level of puja sadhana in this field, tantra sadhana or Batuk Bhairav Upasak, first of all he should get Guru Mantra, Guru Diksha from a genuine Guru. I am using the word genuine Guru. Now you will say simple, sir, how I can search genuine Guru? It is very simple. You meet with him, you chat with him for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, 1 day, 2 day, 1 month, and see, assess yourself whether he is worth to get the Guru Mantra from him or not. Because every district, every mohalla, every city, so many sadhaks, so many Guruji is roaming. So why I am telling you Guru is very important. The moment you get Guru Mantra from any Guru, whatever the power he is having, your Guru, whatever the potency, spiritual and God connection is having from his past 50 year, 60 year, 40 year sadhana, automatically if you will chant his mantra again, automatically you will get some part of his blessing power transferred to you. That's why I am revealing you, I am telling you that please search, get good Guru, competent Guru, efficient Guru, proficient Guru for Guru Mantra. And physically also you can see if any sadhak, Bhairav Sadhana, Bhairav Sadhak, Batuk Sadhak, तो उसका माथे ये आज्ञा चक्र होता है यहाँ पर है. तो जो भैरव साधक होगा 30 साल 40 साल 50 साल से किया होगा, डेफिनेटली हिज आज्ञा चक्र विल बी जस्ट लाइक ग्लोइंग, एक अलग लाइटनिंग चमक उनके चेहरे पर होगा. नॉट ऐसे, आई एम नॉट सेइंग विद द कलर ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट और सांवला, डोंट कंफ्यूज विद दैट कलर. यू हैव टू फाइंड योरसेल्फ हाउ शाइन हिज electrical field, gravitational field, that you can assess yourself if you are doing 1 month, 2 month, 3 month this puja. This is very important to understand regarding the how to